How to clear cache in MEXC application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily clear cache on the MEXC app using your mobile device. To clear cache on MEXC app, launch open MEXC application on your Android or iOS and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap the profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Once you get to your profile section, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and look for Clear Cache button. Tap on that and then click on Confirm in the pop-up to clear your cache data from the app. Clearing cache removes temporary files without deleting your account or trading history. Now you can go ahead and restart your application, close the app and reopen it again, and done. You have successfully cleared your cache from the MEXC app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.